The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. But first, let us know who is Mark Twain. Samuel Langhorne Clemens, better known by his pen name Mark Twain, was born in Florida, Missouri on November 30, 1835, and grew up in Hannibal, Missouri. Twain, who was the sixth of the seven children, moved with his family in 1839 to frontier town in Hannibal since it offered better financial prospect for Twain's father. Twain spent many summers at his uncle John Squirrel's farm in Florida. The farmhouse, which had on its premises as many as 30 black slaves, was a rural paradise for Twain. He would later use his experiences, including his fondness for the slaves, in his most important books. At age of 13, Twain left school to become a printer's apprentice for a local newspaper owned by his brother Orion. He began to contribute some sketches and articles despite frictions with his older brother. When Twain turned 17, he left Hannibal and went to several large cities including Philadelphia and New York, and continued to work for a newspaper, operating as printer in Cincinnati, Ohio, and writing a series of letters under the pen name Thomas Jefferson Snodgrass. When he returned to Hannibal in 1857, Twain began learning how to pilot a steamboat on the Mississippi and became a licensed pilot in 1859. He loved the job, and it has impacted his writing greatly, inspiring one of his stories, which is The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn in 1884. The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn is published in United Kingdom in 1884 and in the United States in 1885. Together with Twain's novel The Adventure of Tom Sawyer in 1876 and The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn changed the course of children's literature in United States as well as the American literature. Presenting the first deeply felt portrayal of boyhood. It is a classic of American realism both for this portrayal and for Twain's depiction of the pre-Civil War South, especially through his use of dialect. This realism was the source of controversy that developed concerning the book in the late 20th century. Despite Huck's friendship with Jim, the book was felt to be the racist by some who considered the language offensive. Nevertheless, the publication in 2011 of a bowdlerized version of the novel generated debate and was considered by many to be every bit as unacceptable as the original.